What's up, legends? Welcome back to Born to Scale. If you're an SMB owner and you're done playing small and you're ready to use real strategy to grow your business, your wealth, this show is for you. I'm your host, Meg, performance marketer, ad strategist, and the person you typically call when your ads stop converting. Today, I want to tell you about a personal decision I made and why it ties perfectly into Google's latest bombshell for advertisers. So I made a big move today. I decided to finally use my personal Instagram, the one I had over 10 years, as my business account. And to be honest, it wasn't very easy because I had this lingering fear, like, what if my old friends judge me? What will my uncle think when I post about strategy, scaling, and paid media? But here's the thing, I had to do it, right? Because if I'm going to preach courage, I have to live it. If I'm going to talk about online leverage, I need to use it first. And I knew that starting a brand new account from scratch was a losing game unless a miracle happens overnight and I go viral, which is a very low chance. But my personal account was already known by the algorithms. It has a few thousand followers and it has something called trust capital. In the digital world, trust and history are leverage. If you do SEO, you know this. And here's the truth most people don't say out loud. Algorithms reward history. Whether it's SEO or Google Ads, the longer you've been in the game, the more data they have on you and the more efficiently you can scale. And that's why I always say, don't fight the system, learn to use it. It's the same with paid advertising. You're not just throwing money at the wall, you're buying time, data, and access. Instead of waiting to go viral, you're getting your offer in front of the right people at the right time. And that's powerful. So my personal story takes me to my main point today. I want to talk about this massive Google Ads update that just dropped last week. So Google just launched a new update called AI Max for search campaigns. And it's a full-on push toward more automation, more intent-driven matching, and more AI-powered creation. In Google's words, it's one-click performance. Basically ads that learn from your assets, your landing pages, your past results, and deliver new search trends and better results and better reporting. Now that sounds amazing, but this is where I'm a little bit skeptical because we've already had most of this. Dynamic search ads, URL expansion, and all these other little AI tools. So this is not magic in my opinion. It's just a rebrand that Google's pushing. What's new is how aggressive Google's being in saying, just trust the machine. As someone who spent over $200 million on Google Ads, I like automation, but I don't fully give up control because my strategy still matters and human thinking still wins. So if you're an SMB owner, my advice to you is get curious, test it, but don't marry it. Because we can let AI support our decisions, but I don't think we're there yet to allow them to make those decisions for us. As the business owner, you're the sole decision maker, and let's keep it that way. So here's the key takeaway. The same way I leveraged my personal Instagram to scale my business, not because it was easy or anything, because it was a smart way, is the same way you should think about paid media and algorithms. Paid media is your shortcut to results and growth. So don't fear the algorithm, don't fear paid media, and don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. I'm Meg Jones, and this is Born to Scale. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.